Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find a digital game on the Epic Game Launcher using a PC. Let's get started. First, open the Epic Game Launcher on your laptop and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the launcher loads, look at the left hand side and click on Library. This is where all your games connected to your Epic account are shown. Inside the library, you will see a list of all your games. Games that are already installed will usually show a button that says launch or play. Games that are not installed will show a button that says install instead. So if you want to quickly find the games you already installed, look for the one with the launch button. Those are ready to play right away. Now if you want to know exact the location of where the game is installed on your computer, here is how. In your library, click the three dot under the game's picture. From the menu, select Manage. Here you will see the installed location and other options. This is super helpful if you ever want to find the game's folder, make backups or free up space. And that's it. It's super simple. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.